Hi, this is MD Alamin. Today we're going to learn try and catch error on JavaScript. Super simple. We just have a ID with text and we have a hello text. This button is not important. Just delete the button. Okay. So how the try and catch error? Try and catch we use sometime that before implementing a code, if something error happened, the JavaScript throw an error and never run the rest of the code. Let me just show you how. If I just say like this. If let's just say we have this blocks of code here. If we save it, it's gonna work. Now if we just say console.log something, it will say something and the code is already work. But if we just say console, if we just forget to put the z, just console low, if we save it, it say hello and it throws an error. If you can see, it says uncaught type error, console log is not a function, it's an error, but it's not running these blocks of code. Can you see that the problem? Okay, now just see how the try and catch is important, how the try and catch is work and why it is important. So let's just before we run anything, we're gonna try. If we just say function, we're gonna say this is a function, and in that function we're gonna say try. We're gonna say alert. We're gonna say alert something good. Okay, we are trying that something good, right? And we're gonna say if some bad happen in that blocks of code, we're gonna throw an error and we're gonna catch the error. We're gonna say catch, and in this parameter we store the error message. So we can tell that at any name, but we say error, and then we're gonna say that alert what error we're facing. We're gonna put that in that alert code. So let's just call this function. Call this function. If we now see like something good is something good, this code is what when you say okay, that's something important. It's these blocks of code. If by mistake we misspell the alert, now we see it is wrong. It's gonna throw an error. So we can say the moment we refresh, we set reference error, alert is not defined. If we say okay, that's something here, these blocks of code is still running. This is why try and catch important, and this is why we do it. So we're gonna try some blocks of code. If some mistake or some bad happens in that code, most of the time we use it like if we want to take some condition from the user. If they put some unusual condition, it can stop our whole JavaScript. To prevent that, we use try and catch. So at first we're gonna try blocks of code. If it's good, then it's good, it's gonna work. If it's not gonna work, we're gonna throw that error in our whenever we want to have it. So yeah, this is for today. Thank you. And one more thing, and this try and catch, they both work together. You cannot use one without another, so they both gonna work together. You have to use try and catch both all the time. So okay, thank you for today.